Learn how I built an AI-powered YouTube channel that runs on autopilot, step by step. Welcome to Smart Hustle AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created a fully automated, faceless YouTube channel. All powered by AI. No filming. No talking. No editing experience needed. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. First, we need to choose a topic that people are already searching for. Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or ChatGPT to find what's currently trending. Look for evergreen niches like AI tools, money tips, tech reviews, health hacks, or storytelling. Once you've found your niche, move to the next step. Step 2. Writing the script with AI. Now we need content. But don't worry, we won't be writing it ourselves. Use ChatGPT to generate a complete YouTube script in minutes. For example, you can ask, write a YouTube script about 5 AI tools to make passive income. You'll get a ready-to-use script that sounds natural and engaging. You can also ask ChatGPT to simplify the language or add a hook in the beginning. Step 3. Creating the voiceover using AI. If you don't want to use your own voice, that's completely fine. Use voice AI tools like ElevenLabs, Play.ht, or Lovo.ai. These platforms generate human-like voiceovers based on your script. Choose your voice style, calm, energetic, or storytelling, and download the audio. We'll use this voiceover in the next step. Step 4. Creating the video with Pictory. Now, head over to Pictory.ai. Paste your script into the text-to-video editor. Pictory will automatically turn your script into a video. It adds royalty-free stock footage, subtitles, and scene transitions. Upload your voiceover and match it to the visuals. You can also add background music and adjust scene timing. After final touches, export your video in high resolution. Step 5. Designing thumbnails and titles. Even the best video won't get views without a strong thumbnail. Use Canva to design eye-catching thumbnails. Use large, bold text and make sure your image is clear. Then write a clickable title using tools like TubeBuddy or ChatGPT. Make it curiosity-driven but honest. For example, how I made my first $100 using AI and zero experience. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. Once your video is ready, upload it to your YouTube channel. Add a keyword-rich title, a clear description, and relevant hashtags. Use timestamps in your description and pin a comment for engagement. Set your video to premiere or schedule it for a time when your audience is active. Don't forget to add cards, end screens, and a subscribe button. Step 7. Monetizing your channel. Once your channel meets the requirements, apply for YouTube monetization. But ads aren't your only option. You can also add affiliate links, sell digital products, or promote courses. Some creators even use donation platforms like Ko-Fi or Buy Me a Coffee. Monetization is easier when your content runs on autopilot. This is how I built an AI-powered YouTube channel that runs itself. One video at a time. You can do the same, even with zero experience. Take action today and start your own smart hustle.